Alright, so we're at this lake right here. The full name's right here. We're trying to vlog and I want to shoot my drone, but apparently I can't. And we just put this thing together. So we're gonna get some cinematic shots. And the story of how we got here is actually funny because we're not supposed to be here right now. But that's a long story.
Hello, I'm fine, thank you. So the first place over there is for the rower.
Okay.
Okay.
And you can relax in a minute. With the face in this direction.
You know. And I get to just lay here.
So now I give you a little tour.
Alright. Thank you. Ah! Is it recording?
Yes.
Alright. After many struggles, we finally made it on the boat.
Turn the other way. I got that.
I could be in the Olympics, to be honest. Get the wings, get the wings, get my wings. Do my arms look big?
Oh, yes. Here he's rowing.
Well,
His
I was
mask
rowing the
on.
wrong way the whole time. Oh my god, Caitlin.
Dude.
Get over here.
No, I can't. I'm
Get right here.
I
Get
can't.
right
No,
here.
he said only one person on that one.
Oh, I did?
There's a picture now.
Oh, I'll tell you the story of how we got here. Okay. So, we drove 4 hours to get here. And then some cops said, no, you can't go down this road. There's just too many tourists and COVID, blah, blah, blah. So we're like, fuck. We turned around.
We went and had lunch.
Then we went to have lunch and we thought of a really good plan. What if we said that our hotel was down that road? So we put a random hotel into the GPS and we got to the thing and he's like, hello, cow, whatever. And we said, hi, we're trying to get to our hotel. And he's like, reservations. And I said, Caitlin, do you have data? She said, no. And then we said, yes, but I can't, our Wi-Fi is not working. And he said, oh, it's okay, go. And we're here. All right, coming up here, this is where they tried to, wait, they're not even there anymore. I'm fucking mad. This is where we had to go around. They shot us back this way, and it was bullshit. Now I got Caitlin driving because I'm sick of driving.
You know I drove.
Yay!
We're in a ski lift.
Excitement, dude. What you gonna vlog today? Well,
Stop. Please stop.
I'm scared. I've never been freaked out before. We made it to the top. There's like 40 minutes left before the last cart goes back down, so we're not gonna go far. But we're gonna get some pictures and a drone shot, even though someone's scared to pull out a drone for some reason.
I'm not scared.
Yes, you are.
It's all private property. Private property on the internet.
Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Please check out my new car. Ready? Watch the mirror, watch the mirror. Ready? Wait, wait, wait. Mind-boggling. We just left our hotel in the Dolomites. Now we're heading to Venice to drop the car off and take a boat to our other hotel and meet up with some friends back in Naples.
Ew.
We're returning the car and Caitlin's sad because she wants it.
I want to keep it forever.
Well, now we're off to Venice for good this time and we're gonna take a water taxi, so there's that. We made it to our Venice hotel. Let's check it out. Got this. This was made here. This glass. This was our bed and the bathroom. Oh wow. This was also made here. Oh, and check this amazing view out. I don't think you guys are ready. Boom! Amazing, right? Yeah, we just woke up. It's day 2 in Venice. We just checked the weather, and it's supposed to be thundering the rest of our time here, except for today. So we're gonna try to bust everything out today. Hopefully tomorrow morning it'll be good. Who knows? We just got back from the hotel again because Caitlin had to change because she was wearing pants, and it's hot out. But check this out. So I got some new shoes here. Venice special. And then Caitlin got
2 hours later.
Yes sir. Now we're about to go explore Venice a little bit, and tomorrow's weather is not looking good, as you can see right here. Saturday. Not good. Hopefully it's wrong, but we'll see. The gondola is $80. So we're trying to find a cheaper one. Right now we're walking to like where everything is.
Hopefully there's a cheaper one.
Hopefully. And the nighttime one's even worse when we're running out of time, and it's supposed to thunder the rest of our time. So yeah.
I can't see anything.
Can't see either. Alright, we made it to the where everything is, and it's bright as out.
Good thing I brought her sunglasses.
Check it out. Gotta get more cinematic stuff for the cinematic video and take some pictures, and then head back to the hotel and do the gondola tonight. Caitlin needs a nap because she's cranky. What's new?
Hey.
Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding.
No, do you need a drink?
No.
I don't either. I already have 2 waters and a drink. Why can you stop?
Milk please. Caitlin. Currently 5 a.m. We're on our way to our flight. I totally forgot to vlog when my friend got here, but we met up, went to Murano, got some cinematic shots. Caitlin's ready to go home. And yeah, it was a good trip. We got out of Naples with the whole Corona stuff. Had some good ass KFC and some good food. Venice was 10 out of 10. Wouldn't stay more than 3 days, but it was good. But yeah, we're gonna get on this flight and then head back home, see the dogs, and wrap it up.